But I believe very strongly that this is not the country they wanted or they wished for. And we are here, we learn, we have been taught what inspired them to do what they did. We can't leave that country in its current state. No. When I die, I want to be on the right side of history. If I can do something to contribute to a brighter future, to a better future for the next generation, forget about me, I don't matter, I'm just one individual. There is 18 million others and counting. If I can make that contribution, I can rest in peace. If not, history will judge us.